Everyone, welcome back to my I was like, Victoria, hello. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. You did it. I am here today with the beautiful Victoria. Victoria, tell us about your channel. Where can we find you?
It is Victoria Waang. Waang with 2 A's.
Waang.
Yeah, Waang. Yes, and so I do mostly fashion, some lifestyle, a little bit of beauty, and yeah, please follow.
Awesome. I'm so excited. We're going to be doing a dank ass challenge about hair on her channel, so go check it out after you watch this. We have a lot for you today. We're doing the numbers pick our makeup challenge. We saw this on Naked Tutorials page. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick, each palette has like a number. Here, hold this one, and then this one is like Game of Thrones, Urban Decay. But anyways, we have 1 through 3, and we're gonna pick like the first number, and that will pick the palette, and then the second number that we have in this bowl, we'll pick the shade in the palette, and we'll put that on our face. And in the beginning, we'll just get to know each other. Yay! Like when we do foundations and such, because we actually like don't know each other that well. Like we met once before,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
It was like a blogger event, and so yeah, this will be very interesting. Hopefully we become friends and not enemies. T's always hot here. Salty, you know. She's nervous. She's like, why did I sign up to do this again? Let's get started. I don't know. I have no music in between. So, okay, I'm gonna use the rose gold skin mist. I'm just gonna. I'm kind of nervous because usually I put like my eyes first and then I put on foundation. What do you do?
I do my eyebrows first.
And then you put on your foundation?
I put my eyebrows, I do my like eyeshadow. I literally only wear a little bit of foundation. It's always like glass, and sometimes it's just powder or BB cream.
Really?
Yeah.
Shook it. I always use like kind of mix it, my, what is it, concealer and a little bit of foundation, and I put it on the top eye, and then I start. Ooh. But I don't do my foundation until I am done with my eyes. How's your life going?
This is going a little, oh there it is.
Okay, I'm gonna pick my palette. Oh my god, I just don't want number 2.
It'll look good though.
No, I hate, I hate greens. Like it does not look cute on me. Okay, I'm doing it. Number 3. Oh, Game of Thrones. Yes, wait. Let's unbox this bitch because I bet this is so cute. I had to get this. I'm a huge Game of Thrones fan. Oh my god.
It's a holy grail.
Oh my god, I gotta open this up for you guys because inside this packaging, it's the map. Like, wow. Shut up. Oh, you could. Oh, it's like a book.
Wowie.
Shut your dumb face. What's on the top? It's nothing? Oh, that's it. Oh, it opens. Wait.
Whoa.
Wow.
Oh my god.
This is insane.
That's crazy.
Oh my god, a giant mirror. Like, hello. I'm just gonna take a moment. Like, oh my god, look at this. Number 8. Okay, I got number 8. So I'm just gonna count vertically or horizontally.
Ooh, horizontally.
Horizontal. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Winterfell? Dude, how can I put this on first? It's a glitter. There's no, oh my god. It is very glittery, which is my favorite color, so. So what do you know about Game of Thrones?
Literally I watched Game of Thrones until like the 2nd or 3rd season. Oh. There's an episode where like the one guy kicks the one lady down the hole.
Okay, girl, that's like every episode. And we're making this shit up as we go. Okay, number 2.
There she goes.
I know. I was like, girl, you're just doing your brows. We're gonna get started. Okay. Mine's number 13.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
13. Another shimmer? God. I got King's Landing. This shimmer.
It's a nice one though.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh my god. Do you see that? That's King's Landing right there. Eyes take the longest for me. What takes the longest for you?
Yeah, eyes because lashes too, right? Or if like doing a cat eye. Oh my gosh.
What is like your worst beauty moment of 2019? I'm like, what is your worst moment? Tell me about it.
I don't know, worst beauty moment?
Like,
I try to play it safe, you know, like I know, you know when you know what works for you and you
Yeah.
kind of stay within that, but like you sometimes take risks, but if I'm gonna take a risk, I make sure a makeup artist is doing it,
Yeah.
not me, you know? So,
I took this one risk before,
Yeah.
and it was like with, this is why I hate green. It was with a green eyeliner. I'll insert a picture, but I looked so horrendous, and I was like, I did not blend enough. It was like horrible. There were too many colors happening. Ooh,
I think
girl.
you're too hard on yourself.
No, if you saw this picture, you would be like, ooh, girl, yes. Color. I hope I don't get
Bronzy.
something like really crazy. I will say there's a lot of shimmery colors in this palette. Okay, here we go. Number
Here she
17.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
16, 17. Another shimmer.
Another one.
Ah.
Okay, now I'm going to pull from the magical bowl.
Oh my god. Tell me more. I hope you get green.
Number 2.
Oh my god, you got the green.
Oh my gosh. Oh no.
What?
4.
Okay, horizontal, right? You look so genuinely sad right now.
Oh no.
Okay, I'm literally still trying to do this.
Okay, the rule is we have to go all over, right?
No, you have to at least use it so that the pigment shows.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't have to go all over.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
But the pigment at least has to show.
Got it.
Ooh, yes, M Cosmetics. And I love Michelle Phan. I mean, like, hello.
She is an OG.
I mean, she's like literally a goddess. Moroccan Sunset. Oh, this is a, no. I'm like opening random things. Oh my god, look how pretty this is. You're like, look. Okay, girl. Okay. I never used brow pencil. This is actually maybe the first time I used brow pencil in like over 10 years.
Do you usually use like a dip or?
I make my own, like I put water and I like mix it with a shadow.
Yeah.
And I mix it with like 2 shadows to get the perfect color. And then I make my own like paste and then I use it and then I set it.
You're so creative.
But like I never use brow pencil because there's too like, they hurt my brow, you know? Like you have to like really go in. But this one, I am kind of living for it. Like, I mean, for the first brow pencil I've used in 10 years, there is no salty
Are you sure? Are you sure
to
though?
spill about this. What made you start YouTube?
Well, my sister actually is the one that like has told me like you can do it, you should do it. She's very encouraging. And yeah, so my sister. But I also like really want to express myself through what I am passionate about, which is obviously fashion and music and beauty and lifestyle, and I do hair and stuff. And so you just want to like connect with other people and share what you have to say or how you feel.
Yeah.
So it's a really, it's like probably one of the best tools to utilize in order to do that. I got a 6.
Okay, what is it?
This guy.
Oh my god, okay. I feel like you can work that in because it's not a dark color. So
Right?
I am scared, but because I'm scared of green. Alright, so now I'm gonna use this. It's the Incredible You Glow Girl. And basically it's like, okay.
Whoa.
Okay, first of all, I'm like, what? It's like a really like glowy jelly glue. To be honest, it kind of looks like glittery gum.
Okay, I have to tell you this. I was watching this video and these girls were eating, like, I guess it's a delicacy. I can't remember what country it was. Fish. Sperm. Fish cum.
No, like
They were
drinking.
They were eating it.
Oh, is it like fried?
I
Fried?
can't remember it right now, but it's yeah.
It's like Asian.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh.
Okay, we are back. This is our final leg. I mean, we all came out of our comfort zone today, so it is what it is, y'all. It is what it is.
And we got to know each other too.
I know.
Yeah.
That was good. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment below what challenges we should do next. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Alright, y'all. Until next time.